Assalamualaikum. Nice to see you everyone. How is life? I hope you all are in a good condition and happy situation, even we are still in pandemic. Ramadan will be over in 3 days, is that right? And Idul Fitri will be come. It makes me feel sad and happy in the same time. But don't worry, let's pray to Allah, then He will give us another opportunity to meet Ramadan again next year. Attending gathering in Idul Fitri holiday can increase your risk in getting or spreading COVID-19 virus. The safest way to have your holiday is to gather virtually or with people who live with you. Here are some tips and tricks for you.
Pray Idul Fitri at home with family.
Enjoy the traditional meal with the people that live with you.
Prepare and deliver a meal to a neighbor.
Gather with the family virtually. Hi!
Travel may increase the spreading of COVID-19 outbreaks. I recommend you to postponing travel and still staying at home. I think this is the best way for you and others this year.
Wear mask with 2 or more layers to protect yourself from the spreading of COVID-19 virus.
Wear your mask over your nose and mouth and secure it under your chin. And stay at least 6 feet away from people who do not live with you.
Wash your hands at least 20 seconds, especially after you meet with the people, touching animal, or going out from your house. After that, don't forget to dry your hands using clean towel or tissue.
If water and soap are not available, you can use hand sanitizer that contains 60% alcohol. Avoid touching eyes, nose, or mouth.
Oops! Celebrating virtually or with the people that live with you is the best choice in these years.
If you gather with people who don't live with you, gathering and activities outdoor is better than indoors.
That's all some several ways to celebrate Idul Fitri Day.
Happy Eid Mubarak! Wear mask, oh salah, wear mask here.
Over your mouth and nose. Pray Idul Fitri at home with family. Oh iya, Happy Eid Mubarak.
Ya Allah,
Bener is the best choice in these years.
Belajar di SDMM tidak untuk dunia saja, tetapi untuk akhiratku kelak.